tries to take that kingfisher, I'm going to scare it.
That would be some sort of shot, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Do you think it's looking at it?
Possibly.
If it was a sparrowhawk, I think it might do.
Yeah, I don't think it'll take it low like that.
It's not got enough speed. Oh, that's magnificent.
Kingfisher's not moving now.
How did you spot the peregrine when we were all looking at the kingfisher?
I took my eye off the viewfinder.
Oh, amazing.
I saw it flying.
Flew from the right, did it?
Hey?
Flew from the right.
It flew over the water and then kind of circled and just landed. It's a Mexican standoff.
Isn't it? So the thing is, I'm doing video at the moment, so if it comes towards the kingfisher, I might have a chance. I've never seen a peregrine on the post in front before, ever. That's the first for me.